I'm hankering for a devilish batch of spirit donuts. In a measuring cup, we're going to bloom some yeast in some water. Stir it up and wait 5 minutes. It's alive! In the bowl of a food processor goes flour, your yeast mixture, sugar, butter, milk, eggs, and salt. Pulse for about a minute or so until a dough forms. It'll be sticky, don't sweat it. Dump it out onto a lightly floured surface. Roll it up into a ball best you can and place it in a greased bowl. Spray the top with a little bit of no stick spray. Cover and allow it to rise for 1 to 2 hours or until it's doubled in size. Like that. Dump it onto a lightly floured surface. There's no need for a rolling pin here. Just pat it out until it's about a 1/4 inch thick. Punch out rounds. You should get about a dozen depending on the size you pick. You don't want to go too large though. Place them on a greased parchment to rise one more time, 30 to 45 minutes. When you're ready to fry, heat up a small pot of oil. Fry your donuts 4 to 5 at a time, a few minutes each side until they're lightly golden. When they're done, place them on a cooling rack to drain. Once they're totally cool, like me, inject them with some whipped cream. Now get a pot of water simmering. Then, turn off the heat. Place a bowl on top and place chocolate and cream. Whisk it until it's just melted. Then take the bowl off the pot, otherwise it'll overcook. Dip your donuts into it, carefully, it's pretty hot. Place it back onto your rack. I made this special spirit emblem cutout to finish these with a dusting of cinnamon. How's that for authentic looking? These donuts are possessed with deliciousness and calories. Sorry. Yummy. My month of spooky vids is almost done. Follow the links in the description so that you don't miss a thing. In the meantime, you can catch more Yokai Watch food. I've got a whole playlist at this point. Also, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It's the best way to help Hammy Cooks grow. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!